Hello there, family and friends. This is Brenda Armster. Welcome to my video blog. That's YouTube channel #BAKC, Brenda Armster. You can also visit my blog site. That's brendaarmster.com, BRENDARMSTER.com. And more than likely, once I'm done with this tip of the day, which is typography, that will be my tip for today, typography. I'm going to post this to my blog site, and then from there I'm going to blast it to all my social media networks. Also, let's see. This website is defont.com, and they actually have free fonts on here that you can use. One of the fonts that I want to use on my new website is called Debaz New. I believe that's how you pronounce that. But I've gone on and I've typed in my name, which is, of course, Brenda Armster. And Brenda Armster, that's what comes up, and that's exactly what I'm looking for. Something that's bold like that once a visitor comes to my website, there's going to be no doubt in their mind that this is my website, Brenda Armster, and that bold, that's going to capture that visitor's attention. Also for script writing, which I do like, this font deck is a new site. I just happened to be Googling and found this font deck. And of course they've got their price in here. Go in there, but as you can see, the different scripts here, just with my name. It can be your company name, it could be your slogan, what have you. You could just type it in there. You can right away, you seeing exactly what it's going to look like before you go ahead and download and be like, no, that's not what I really wanted, and go on. Especially, you don't want to waste your money. And then there's another one here which I came across. I love Typography, which is also another one. Let's see, they've got their like their top fonts on the right here. Now, in creating your website, we have your text that describes what's going on each web page. It's describing a product, could be tennis shoes, what have you. And a lot of times you're going to use either Arial or you're going to use Helvetica. But what I'm talking about is using special fonts to draw the attention, draw the attention of visitors and keep them there. That's the whole point of creating a website, is to draw, of course, someone's searching for something. So your search engine optimization, you want that to be on point so that the products and services that you're selling, when they're searching for it, you want your products and services, your website, you want that to come up on Google's first page within the first 10. And then when they go there and they click on your link, you want to keep them there. You want to keep their attention. You want to show them what your products and services are about. You want to have a page there that tells them who you are. All of this. And fonts, images, all this, and plus your products and services. All this plays a major role for how long a client is going to, a visitor at that point is going to stay on your website. And this is iStock.com. You're going to need images. And if you do not have photos, images that you can use of your business, your office, if you're a car salesman, you've got cars for sale. If you don't have photos, then in your local, I can actually I can take pictures as well. I can do the photography as well. One thing I like is when I'm on vacation, I like taking pictures of different scenes and what have you. That not only reminds me of the fun I had, not having to clock in at work, but different scenes that captures my attention at that very moment. And I've got quite a bit of photos when I went to Hawaii, and I knew at some point down the line I was going to use those photos to build websites. Well, they would be my background, I'll put it that way. They would be either in a photo gallery of mine, or they would be utilized as background, which leads me right into what I've been doing here the last few days. This is Fireworks. It is actually where I go in and I do my mock-up, which you've seen that in past videos. This right here, I'm actually working on design. As you can see, that's my logo, Brenda Armster, and right below it, it says Creative Strategies for Our Success. You can't really tell that because it's kind of small. And the line going across there, that is my navigation bar. So I'm going to bring in, this is my background, which is my favorite Hawaii picture. I love this scene, and that water, it just takes me back there, that color. This picture just pops out at you, and I love it. Well, it does for me. Some typography. The font that I downloaded, but base new, this is that font. And I have actually gone on, and like I said, I've been working on this. This is a script that I decided to use, which is Simple Snails version 4.0. And of course, you've got my logo there, and my navigation, got my about, my folio, my contact, right? Okay, that's that page. Now, check this out. What does that look like on a browser? Firefox. This is what I just created, and this is what it looks like in Firefox. And this is kind of a trend right now of the full photo and your fonts that are trying not to take away from that scene, but it's standing out enough to draw the attention of your visitors. This is Brenda just sharing a tip with you on typography in the design. Thanks for visiting my video blog and my blog site, that's brendaarmster.com, and look out for my website, which would be Brenda Armster with 2 A's, brendaarmster.com. Hey, how can I get away from my name? That's my brand. Okay, thank you. Peace, and I'll see you again. Have a great evening.